Hello, friends. This is Barbie Daly with Rural Life in the Valley. Welcome to Fairy Garden Thursday. Fairy Garden Thursday is hosted and created by Grandma Sandy. And our co-hosts are Sharon Shornagel, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and myself, Barbie Daly. Well, visitors from the Kingdom of Tellin's Place have arrived in the Rose Garden. They were invited to visit the newly opened train town, which is in the middle of the Dandelion Meadow. The fairies were so excited to see the beautiful Dandelion Meadow and train town. However, when they arrived, something strange had happened. They came back to the Rose Garden to tell Rose all about it. Rose is the garden fairy who lives in the Rose Garden with her fairy friends and takes care of the rose hedge. The fairies exclaimed, "Oh, Rose, the beautiful field of dandelions is gone, and in its place there are large green stems with fuzzy little heads on them. How could this happen?" they cried. Rose smiled gently and said in a soft voice, "My dear little fairies, these beautiful dandelions have a job to do. They plant themselves in soil that needs tending to, and often the dirt does not have enough nutrients to grow beautiful grass, so their job is to love the soil until it's healed. They grow their roots down into the soil and spread nutrients to make it healthy. This can take some time, so while the dandelions are here, they turn their little petals into seeds surrounded by the fuzzy hairs. And when the wind blows, the seeds will scatter everywhere and plant themselves back into the soil. If it is needed, the dandelions will bloom again for a week or so, and then it will be time to return to the soil again. While you are here, the dandelions will return again, and you can enjoy them." The fairies clapped in glee and laughed excitedly to witness the dandelions returning. It was something they would look forward to, and meanwhile, they will enjoy the little white fuzzies. And Rose said to them also, "We call them wishies. So if you take one and blow on it and make a wish, then perhaps your wish will come true." Thank you for watching, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this little fairy tale, and I am wishing you a wonderful day or evening wherever in the world you are. Bye-bye.